The profit of a company for 4 years are $20,000, $25,000, $10,000 and $5,000. Find the average yearly profit. A. $60,000. B. $30,000. C. $20,000. D. $15,000. E. $10,000. Solution. Average equals total sum of values divided by total number of values. Then, the sum of profits for this company equals 20,000 plus 25,000 plus 10,000 plus 5,000. Divided by number of years, which is 4. 20,000 plus 25,000 plus 10,000 plus 5,000 equals 60,000 divided by 4. 60,000 divided by 4 gives 15,000. Equals $15,000. The correct answer is D. Simplify as simply as possible the ratio of 80 seconds to 2 minutes. A. The ratio of 40 to 1. B. The ratio of 8 to 12. C. The ratio of 5 to 6. D. The ratio of 4 to 3. E. The ratio of 2 to 3. Solution. Know that 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Then, we are required to simplify a ratio of 80 seconds to 2 minutes. Also we convert 2 minutes to second, which gives equals the ratio of 80 seconds to 120 seconds. We divide the left-hand side and right-hand side by 40. 80 divided by 40 gives 2. 120 divided by 40 gives 3. Therefore equals a ratio of 2 to 3. The correct answer is E. If 1 dozen pens cost $40.80, find the cost of 10 pens. A. $408. B. $40.80. C. $34. D. $24. E. $20. Solution. Know that 1 dozen equals 12. Then, if 12 pens cost $40.80, therefore, 10 pens will cost. To find the unknown cost for 10 pens we cross-multiply, which gives 10 times 40.80 divided by 12 equals 408 over 12. 408 divided by 12 gives 34. Equals $34. The correct answer is C.